smooth riding and especially lithe, the 2018 Fiat 124 Spider is a delight to drive. However, its little turbocharged motor battles at the low end. From an execution point of view, the 2018 Fiat 124 is a marginally unique interpretation of the Mazda MX-5 Miata. That is okay with us in light of the fact that the two autos make weight investment funds a need, despite the fact that the Fiat weighs around 100 pounds more, and that has benefits for the elements. The Fiat's one-of-a-kind motor conveys its energy in an unexpected way, yet it's as yet fun, and the dealing with is similarly as grin actuating. We gave it a 8 out of 10. For execution, it might be 104 pounds heavier than the Miata in its lightest frame, yet the 2018 Fiat 124 Spider still comes in at a featherweight 2,436 pounds. That enables it to jitterbug starting with one bearing then onto the next readily. The ride is shockingly supple, dousing up knocks like a family car, and you will see unequivocal body slender in corners. The fun, nonetheless, starts when the suspension takes a set and the auto pivots freshly. Now, that body slender moves toward becoming criticism as the auto approaches the points of confinement of attachment, making it exceptionally exact and unsurprising to drive hard. The delicate suspension leaves a lot of space for the Bilstein stuns and swagger. Pinnacle support of the Abarth demonstrate. Those highlights just make the Abarth faster to turn in and more receptive to driver inputs. The primary distinction between the Fiat and the Mazda lies in the engine. Fiat utilizes its single overhead cam, turbocharged 1.4-liter 4-barrel, with as much as 22 pounds of lift. To take advantage of this, motor produces 160 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque in base frame, and the Abarth form makes 164 horsepower because of the better breathing of a novel fumes framework. By correlation, the Mazda's normally suction 2.0-liter inline-4 makes 155 horsepower and 148 pounds-feet of torque. We discover the Miata's motor is detectably more grounded from a stop because of the Fiat's little relocation and a trace of turbo slack. The 124 takes 6.8 seconds to cover the 0 to 60 miles per hour run, while the Miata can do the deed in 6.0 seconds. The Fiat likely has leeway on the parkway, be that as it may. When its turbo is spooled up, it can convey better mid-run passing response. The Fiat's relative absence of low-end control is more detectable with the programmed transmission, which is generally responsive. Utilizing the movers can help here, however they are accessible just in the Abarth. Utilize the manual and rev it, and the issue can be fairly moderated.